social jockey Nikita welcomes you to Zoom It. As you know, Zoom is 9 years old. अपना 9th birthday celebrate कर रहा है. We have celebrities जो भेज रहे हैं अपनी request right here on Zoom It. तो अभी सबसे पहले हम ये देखेंगे that which celebrity has requested a song. So let's see.
Hi, this is Hrithik Roshan, and for Zoom's 9th anniversary, I dedicate this song to Zoom. Zoom It.
So well, that is a cool request to begin with. And इसी बात पे first let's listen to this cool song. Well, अब इस cool सी request के बाद we will move to our next request, which is Chahu Man. It's dedicated by Rupal Godbole for PS, and उनका message is, "Hello dear, I am dedicating this song to you. Hope you will enjoy this song and remember me. I just want you to be my friend again. I love you and miss you a lot, but I hope this time you'll get my message. Love you, sweetu." वैसे where have you been sending messages कि उनको मिल नहीं रहे? Well, यहाँ पर तो I make sure, especially इतने sweet से messages तो पहुँच ही जाए. So next time, you know where you're supposed to send your messages. Well, अब इस गाने के बाद it's time for our first sweet tweet, which happens to be from Niketan Dhi, and he has tweeted saying, "Chunni from Dabang 2." Well, ये तो real के दबंग लग रहे हैं, लेकिन हम अपनी अगली request देखेंगे, which is जिगर दा टुकड़ा, and it's by Himangi for Sora. She says, "Bhai, this is for you, because you always understand my problem and solve them ASAP. You always save me from all the gochis that I have done, and never tell Ma and Pa about it. Love you, and dare you ignore me for your stupid girlfriend." Gochis. Firstly, please explain us कि what does this mean? I think this is like summing up all your naughtiness. लेकिन जो भी है, भाई, the message is कि अपनी girlfriend के लिए don't forget your sweet little sister. You know guys, this song has just got me thinking कि हर एक का एक जिगर दा टुकड़ा जरूर होता है. वैसे आप लोग को भी ये सोचना चाहिए that who is your जिगर दा टुकड़ा. Don't worry, I'm giving you time. हम लेंगे एक छोटा सा break. Meanwhile, just think about it and tell me on my Twitter handle @KoZoomIt. Back guys, this is our social jockey Nikita and you're watching Zoom It. Well, हमारी जो अगली request है, it is one of the most interesting requests of today. Apparently, it is Dilli Wali Girlfriend. It's requested by Dakshina for Ranbir Kapoor, and she says, "I know that Ranbir is the cutest in the whole world, but he looks super cute in this song. I hope that someday I will also get a chance to be his girlfriend." Bracket. Oops, sorry, but Ranbir, you have a bad track record, I must say. Please, Nikita, do play this song for him. Very confused, I must say. But you know what? Track record में क्या रखा है? Till the time he's all good in the present. And वैसे the other day, a friend of mine told me that Ranbir should actually be singing in this song, "आया लंबी वाली girlfriend छोड़ छाड़ के." अब ये तो बताने की जरूरत नहीं है कि who's the लंबी वाली girlfriend and whom is he singing this for. But we will come back to the original song, which is right here. Well, moving on to our next request, let's check it out.
Hi Nikita, this is Nishant. मैं जाट चुड़ैल गाना डेडिकेट करना चाहूँगा उस लड़की को जिसने स्कूल और कॉलेज डेज में मेरा बहुत टाइम वेस्ट किया है. आई थिंक ये गाना उसके लिए बहुत सुटेबल रहेगा और अब मेरी लाइफ बहुत अच्छी है.
Now that is being a typical boy. लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, अब वो लाइफ से जा चुकी है, तो I think you should just enjoy the song on her name. While moving on, we have another sweet tweet to show you guys now, which is by Anupam Kher, and he tweets saying, "My friend Satish Kaushik showed me a trailer of our film Gangs of Ghosts. It is hilariously fantastic." I think what he's trying to say, it's going to be scaringly fantastic. पर हम देखते हैं अपनी अगली request, which is "तुम ही हो", and it's requested by Aisha for Neera. The message is, "It's been 9 months to our relationship, and I have realized how important you are to me. I hope love between us stays the same. Love you so much, baby. I want to celebrate love with this song." So basically, it's your 9-month anniversary. लेकिन you know what? It might just sound cheesy to some of you guys. हमें ना हर छोटी से छोटी चीज सेलिब्रेट करनी चाहिए. We should always look for reasons to cherish those happy moments of life, just like this one. Well, अब इतने romantic गाने के बाद I know you guys want to listen to more songs. लेकिन guys, we will take one short break right here. तो कहीं मत जाए, because after the break we have more songs coming up. Keep talking to me on my Twitter handle @KoZoomIt. Welcome back guys, you're watching Zoom It and this is your social jockey Nikita. Well, moving on, हम check out करेंगे अपनी अगली request, which is जीने लगा हूँ, and this is requested by Rumina for Sahir. उनका message है, "Dear husband, I just want to say to you that I love you more than anyone for all the sweet and bitter moments that we share and will share ahead. Hope you love it. Love you." You know, that's the spirit. Sweet and bitter moments is just a part of life. So उनके बारे में सोचकर time waste करने से अच्छा है that we should just enjoy every moment. Well, अब आगे बढ़ते हैं हमारे एक और sweet tweet के साथ, which is by Neha Dhupia, and she has tweeted saying, "As the sun sets, I say goodbye Mauritius." Well, as you know, sunsets are always a beautiful thing to watch. But can't be more beautiful than our next song, which is Ishq Wala Love, and let's see who's dedicated that.
Hi, this is Greenwell here. I want to dedicate a song, Ishq Wala Love, to my cousin bro. He just started in a relation like the past 1 month, and this song, like, you know, very touching for me and for them also, and they love the song very much.
Well, ये जो song है इतना ही प्यारा song है, तो I'm sure ये आपके और आपके cousin के लिए नहीं. I think this is going to be like touching to a lot of people. So this song for all you lovers out there. Well guys, अब love shove की बातें तो बहुत हो गई. I think we deserve a break. लेकिन break के बाद we'll have some dancing numbers coming up. So don't go anywhere. I'll see you right after the break. Welcome back, guys. This is your social jockey Nikita, and you're watching Zoom It. Well, वक्त है हमारी अगली request check out करने का, which is again very interesting. Well, it is Lungi Dance by Shubhi Agarwal for SRK, and उनका message तो सुनिए. This song is specially for my SRK. He is the one and only one made in this universe. Nobody can beat you, compete with you, challenge you, look better than you. Their dimples are out of this world. Love you so much. You know, more than a die-hard fan, you seem like a possessive fan of SRK. Well, क्यों ना हो, ऐसी थोड़ी उन्हें हम बादशाह या किंग खान बोलते हैं. और ऊपर से this गाना, I think it has everything you can ask for. Deepika and her hotness, Yo-Yo Honey Singh, your beloved King Khan, and not to miss out, the Rajni style. Well, अब एक गाने से मन तो बिल्कुल नहीं भरा. We of course want some more dancing, so let's check out our next request for that.
Hi, my name is Resham. I would love to dedicate a song to my friend Nikita because she loves dancing. The song is Subah Hona Na De from Resham.
Actually, मुझे लगा कि she is requesting a song for me, but that's one thing which is common between that Nikita and me. Of course, we both love dancing to this song. So I think ये गाना हम दोनों के लिए specially. So guys, it's time for another sweet tweet now, which is by Madhuri Dixit, and she has tweeted saying, "Saying bye to Durban and the lovely people. Thanks for making the evening memorable." Well, आप तो जहाँ पर भी होंगी, evening memorable हो ही जाएगी. लेकिन this evening was surely another memorable evening. उसी के साथ we have come to an end of the show. But before going, I'm going to remind you guys, keep sending in your requests on apps.facebook.com/gozoomin, and of course your video requests on gozoomin@gmail.com. And भूलेगा नहीं मुझसे बातें करने के लिए my Twitter handle @gozoomin. This is your social jockey Nikita saying goodbye, and I'm going to see you next week. Same time, same place. So till then, don't just like it, go Zoom it.